Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this lecture we will discuss about series combination of resistance and parallel combination of resistance. In case of series combination of resistance, resistors are connected end to end so that same amount of current flows through each resistance. As you can see in the diagram, here resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected end to end, and the same amount of current is flowing through each resistance, and this is connected further with a potential difference source. आप जैसे कि डायग्राम में देख सकते हैं कि रेजिस्टर्स R1, R2 और R3 को सीरीज़ में इस तरह कनेक्ट किया गया है कि हर एक का सिरा दूसरे के साथ कनेक्टेड है, और इसके अक्रॉस एक बैटरी के साथ इसको अटैच किया गया है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होगा कि सर्किट में करंट फ्लो करेगा, लेकिन हर रजिस्टर के अक्रॉस पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है उसकी वैल्यू चेंज होगी ड्यू टू द अपोजिशन, ड्यू टू द रेजिस्टेंस वैल्यू। ठीक है, अब यहाँ से हम इसको कह सकते हैं कि लाइक फॉर resistor R1 potential difference will be V1, and for resistor R2 potential difference will be V2, and for resistor R3 potential difference will be V3। और अगर हम कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं टोटल पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस, उसको हम मैथमेटिकली ऐसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं बाय ओहम्स लॉ, as current is same in across each resistor V1, V2, V3. Now the total potential difference is equal to the potential drop across each resistor. As the current is same, so it cancel on both sides. Equivalent resistance will be equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. If you have n number of resistors in combination that are connected in series combination, you can calculate the equivalent resistance by using the same formula. R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 up to so on. For parallel combination, resistors are connected side by side such that their ends join together, so the potential difference across each resistors is same. In case of parallel combination, potential difference remains same while the current is different across each resistor. Like for resistor R1 it will be I1, for resistor R2 it will be I2, and for resistor R3 it will be I3. And the current has three passages to flow, so it flows in three paths. It will flow in three channels. It will flow ये तीनों जितने उसको अवेलेबल रजिस्टर्स या जितने उसको अवेलेबल पाथ मुहैया होंगे वो उन्हीं पाथ्स में मूव करेगा। ठीक है, इस वजह से हम कह सकते हैं पैरेलल कम्बिनेशन में जो करंट है उसकी वैल्यू चेंज होती है अक्रॉस ईच रजिस्टर। करंट को वैल्यू को बाय यूजिंग ओहम लॉ हम लिख सकते हैं I इज़ इक्वल टू V ओवर R। सो फॉर फर्स्ट करंट I1 इज़ इक्वल टू V1 ओवर R1, I2 इज़ इक्वल टू V2 ओवर R2 और I3 इज़ इक्वल टू V3 ओवर R3। Now the total current is equal to the sum of all of these current, that is I total is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Now putting these values from above equations, V our equivalent is equal to V over R1 plus V over R2 plus V over R3, as the potential difference is same across each resistor, so it is considered as constant and it will be cancelled on both sides. Okay, now the equivalent resistance will be 1 over R equivalent is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3. If you have n number of resistors that are connected in parallel combination, you can calculate the equivalent resistance by using this same formula. 1 over R equivalent is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 and up to so on. This from this topic. Thank you.